Class 2, today we are starting the new chapter of English 2 and the topic of this chapter is the water seed. So before starting the chapter, let's warm up. Look at some ways in which we can save water. Which ones do you do at home? So these are the ways in which we can save water, okay? So number 1 is close the tap tightly after using it. Number 2, don't keep the tap running while brushing. Number 3, wash the fruits in a pan and not under running water. Number 4, water the plants once a day in the morning. And number 5 is, don't waste water when you are taking a bath. Okay, so let's get into the chapter. Long ago, it did not rain for 3 years in a small village. The earth was parched and all the plants dried up. People did not have water to drink. They were very worried. They knew they could not live without water. So, in a small village, it did not rain for 3 years, okay? And the earth was very dry. The earth became very dry and all the plants dried up, okay? People did not have water to drink, okay? They were very worried and they knew they could not live without water. So they knew and they were very worried because they did not have water to drink and they knew they could not live without water, okay? One day, the village chief called all the people in the village for a meeting. When all the people had come, the chief asked 4 young men to come forward. So, one day the village chief means the head of the village, called all the people of the village for a meeting. So, the head of the village called every people of the village for a meeting, okay? When all the people had come, the chief asked 4 young men to come forward. So, can you see in the picture? All the people had come for a meeting and the village chief asked for 3 men to come forward, okay? He said to them, I want the 4 of you to go in 4 directions. Find water and bring it back to us. So, the village chief called 4 young men. Why? Because the village chief wanted the 4 young men to go in 4 different directions to find water, okay? To find water and bring back to the village, okay? So the 4 men did not. So the 4 men did as they were told. So the 4 men went to the different direction. Okay. But soon 3 of them returned to the village. They did not find any water. They could not go far because they were very tired. So soon three men returned to the village. Okay. Why? Because they did not find any water. Okay. They could not go far because they were very tired. So, the 3 men, they could not go very far because they were very tired. Okay. The 4th man who had not returned reached the White Mountain. As he climbed up to the mountain, he saw a cave. There was an old lady in the cave. So, the 3 men, they returned, but the 4th man did not return. Okay. So, the 4th man had reached the White Mountain. Okay. As he climbed up the mountain, he saw a cave. So, while he was climbing the mountain, he saw a cave. Okay. There was an old lady in the cave. So, inside the cave, there was an old lady. Okay. Where we can find water? The man asked her. So, there was an old lady inside the cave. So, the 4th man asked the old lady that where we can find water. Okay. The old lady said, go higher up the mountain. So, the old lady said to the 4th man to go higher up the mountain. Okay. So, the man kept climbing and soon reached the top. The top of the mountain was covered with a thick layer of white snow. He broke a piece of the white mountain. He wrapped it carefully and put it in a sack. And then he ran back to his village as fast as he could. So, the man kept climbing and kept climbing in the mountain. Okay, and as soon as he reached the top, the top of the mountain, so he can see that the top of the mountain was covered with thick layer of white snow. Okay, so he broke a piece of snow, from a mountain. Okay, and he wrapped the snow carefully and he put it in his bag. Okay, and then he ran back to his village as fast as he could. Okay, when he got there, everyone ran to him to see what he had got. He was very tired but happy. He said, "I've brought back the water seed." So when he reached his village, everyone in the village, they ran to him to see what he had got. Okay, so the fourth young man, he was very tired but he was happy. Okay, so he said, "I have brought the water seed." The people were excited to hear this. Everyone wanted to see the water seed. So everyone in the village, they gathered and they were very excited to see what the young man had brought. Okay. When he opened his sack, there was nothing in it. The snow had melted into water. The few drops of water dripped in the ground and disappeared in the soil. So when he opened the sack, when he opened his bag, there was nothing in it. There was nothing inside his bag. The snow had melted into water. So the snow had melted into water. Okay, the few drops of water dripped into the ground and disappeared in the soil. So the few drops of water, it dripped into the ground and disappeared in the soil. So what does dripped means? Dripped means fell a small drops. Okay. Someone in the crowd shouted, "The water seed had fallen on the ground. Let us get it back." So someone in the village, someone in the crowd shouted that the water seed had fallen in the ground. So let's get it back. And the villagers started digging to get back the water seed. They dug and they dug deeper. After digging for some hours, they found water coming out of the ground. So every villagers, they gathered and they dug the land together, okay, to find the water seed. So they kept digging and digging and digging, okay, and as they dug deeper and deeper, for some hours they found water coming out of the ground. Okay, so you can see that in the picture as well. Okay, everyone shouted with joy, "The water seed has given us water. The water seed has given us water." Now the village always has water. So everyone in the village, they were very happy and they shouted with joy that the water seed has given us water. Okay, and they were very happy that they found water. Okay, and now in the village they always have water. Okay.